Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation, Calvin Russell here. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about our new partnership with Identity IQ. All right. So of course, a lot of you may be using Identity IQ or whatever you use. Again, this is not a replacement in any way, shape, or form from myfico.com. As we all know, 90% of lenders use myfico.com, and there's nothing wrong with that. What Identity IQ is just another platform very similar to Credit Karma, but they give you all three credit bureaus. They use the same algorithm that Credit Karma uses, which is VantageScore. See, like what Calvin would know why you promote it. The same reason why I promote anything else, right? If Credit Karma, it all depends on what makes sense to you. So like Credit Karma, I love that. It's a great platform. So I love how they do things. And the problem is as we all know, there still is no agreement set with them and Experian, right? Of course, it would be phenomenal if they could get that going. Then, of course, they would shut a lot of people down in the game. But the cheapest platform I've seen where you can get all three credit bureaus that update once a month, all right? And then, of course, you get all three of your scores. That's going to be with the VantageScore, all right? And then you're going to be able to have access to all three of your credit reports as well. The only platform that's under $25, okay? And now you actually get a special discount if you go to the link below, all right? And of course, we negotiated that rate. We send them a lot of business, but of course, we send everybody business. It doesn't matter necessarily to us. But either way, we said, you know what? Let's just get them a call and see if we can, offer something special, especially for your YouTubers out there. And again, you don't have to change what you already have or whatever the case may be, but it's $7. I'm sorry, it's $1 for a 7-day trial. Okay, so it's $1 for a 7-day trial, and then after that, if you decide to keep it, it's going to be $21.99 a month to keep all three credit bureaus and reports. Okay, and it's going to update once a month. Now, of course, the next thing closest to this, there's a lot of other packages out there. You got a Credit Check Total, you got MyFICO, whatever the case may be. But again, that's when you start getting into that $30 a month. And then, of course, MyFICO just came out with a new monthly updated program, and that's $40 a month. So again, you have to decide what works best for you. But this is just a new discounted platform. You can even go to their site, Identity IQ. You will not see a price lower than this. This is a special rate only for 850 Club YouTubers, and of course whoever watches it goes to the link, and you can share the link as well too. So but it's pretty cool because they trust us, we trust them, and again, just another option for you guys. This is in no way, shape, or form saying, hey, go with this or else. This is just another option for you all to have. Okay, so of course, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it, and be sure to subscribe as we have a lot more great content on the way. Thank you so much.